Hi, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing the BoxyCharm Premium Unboxing. I'm Jennifer, and this is my husband, Aaron. He usually joins me on Sundays, and I promise next week we will get back to makeup material. I know it's been like 3 weeks of unboxings, but I just got this yesterday, so I really want to get this out. And hi, hello, if you are new here. Like I said, my name is Jennifer, this is Aaron.
And if you're not new here, her name's still Jennifer.
And on my channel, we do unboxings, we do makeup material, and as my name suggests, I am agoraphobic. I like to talk about mental health issues. If you are into any of those subjects, or happen to be into all of those subjects, then I highly
suggest.
Thank you.
Click that notification bell and subscribe. Like and subscribe.
Okay, first hit the subscription. Okay, first hit the subscribe button, and then hit the notification bell and set it to all, so that you are notified every time that I upload a video.
Another piece of fabulous content.
And we would love to have you be a part of our family, because we are on our way to 250 subscribers. And we'd love you to be a part of our little community here.
Please.
So, if you... and beyond. And if you would like to see what is in this box, then hang tight, because we are getting right into it. Okay, and might also add, once we hit 250 subscribers, we are going to have a big giveaway. And again, this is the Boxy Premium box. All I have done was rip off the bottom, so I have not seen what is in here. Neither of us have seen what's in here.
It's mystery.
Okay, and you might see some of these
mystery
products. You might see some of these products in the giveaway. We have our little card here, and I did see, this says BTS, I did see on their Instagram that this means back to school. So, and what I am seeing, can you take that, please? What I am seeing here first is the... okay, more Beauty Bakery. We just did a Beauty Bakery unboxing. This is the Beauty Bakery Milk and Honey Highlighting Palette.
Oh.
So creamy, you don't need butter. You'll be at... Let's have you read it. You do much better at reading.
Beauty Bakery Milk and Honey Highlighting Palette. So creamy, you don't need butter. You'll be all the sugar after you milk that glow with these silky smooth milk and honey highlighters. Grab your bakeware and stove mix, or layer in abundance. MSRP $38.
$38? Wow.
$38, y'all.
And that is what she looks like. I am going to put this in the giveaway. And it has such...
full of bees.
It's Oh Honey, Queen Beeing, spoiler alert, and Be Sweet, as in B-E-E, sweet. So I'm not going to swatch that, but it is very pretty. Seems like all their things cost $38.
I guess that's a price point that they like.
Again, this is what she looks like right there. Very pretty packaging.
May or may not be full of bees.
Okay. We got something from Lorac.
Hey.
Soft Rose Prolucent Powder. And, okay. It's in Soft Rose.
That Lorac, he was so preachy.
Can you read about this?
Lorac Prolucent powder. This ultrafine cashmere soft powder gives the illusion of an airbrush flawless complexion. The multi-purpose, airy, lightweight formula blurs the appearance of pores and fine lines, sets and corrects under eyes as well as brightens for the ultimate glow. While holding makeup all day without flashback. Set, bake, and brighten without drying or settling. $30. I don't know why I'm talking like this. $30, y'all.
Okay, I don't know what I'm going to do with the rose setting powder. I've got pale white skin. But this is what she looks like.
I might get tried, I guess.
You want this?
And I go, foof, foof. And I'll be like a flower garden.
You want this?
Sure, I give it a try.
Next, this looks interesting.
Ooh.
Tan Lux Super Glow. Hyaluronic Self-Tan Serum. I don't care. I don't self-tan. Can you see what this is?
Is that the C Glotion? No, wait. Tan Lux, right?
Yeah.
Tan Lux Super Glow Hyaluronic Acid Self-Tan Serum. The first Hyaluronic Superfood Self-Tan Serum. Your best skin day ever, bottled. It combines the high-weight hyaluronic acid and extremely low molecular weight sodium hyaluronate. Hyaluronate. I can say hyaluronic, but I can't say hyaluronate. Hyaluronate you. This enables multi-level instant and lasting hydration, leaving skin looking and feeling firmer and more radiant. With 4% DHA tanning actives for daily use. This innovative formula is derived from organic rapeseed oil plus 7 superfoods.
Okay, how much is
Do
it?
not eat it. $49.
$49? How much was...
$49.
How much was the powder?
The powder? $30.
Are you keeping track on this on your phone?
No.
Do you have your phone?
Yes.
Can you add up all this stuff?
Sure.
The next thing we have is from Complex Culture, which I heard is from the Ipsy brand.
Complex. 30, 32, 49.
It is a Sonic T-Bar facial enhancer.
This is one of those things you poke your face with.
Yeah, I think so.
Looks like it adds up to $230. $230, y'all.
You weren't supposed to tell that just yet.
It was not $230. No, absolutely not.
It's one of these thingamadollies that you put a battery in and it vibrates and you use on your face with your serums and such, and so is that. You will probably see this in a future giveaway as well.
What if you...
Can you read about
What
it?
if you, like, stick it in your nose and then, like... What does that do?
It's the Complex Culture thing. Can you read about it?
Sonic T-Bar Facial Massager. This sonic power tool delivers a modern facial massage to increase blood flow, reduce puffiness, relieve facial tension, and help tone facial contours. Give yourself the daily luxury of an at-home massage to temperate, smooth, and sculpt the skin. Rejuvenate and sculpt your skin in just a matter of minutes whenever you can squeeze it into your routine. MSRP, $58.
Oh my gosh.
Couldn't you just do the same thing with like one of those vibrating toothbrushes?
Okay, next we have Tarte C Glotion.
Ooh, glotion. Glotion. Under the sea.
Skin Perfector.
Oh.
Can you read about this?
Get a lit from within look with this instant complexion perfector. Ooh, I like saying that. Instant complexion perfector. Inspired by the magical glow effect of bioluminescence. Ooh, like those algae that glow. It gives a natural luminous glow onto skin with micronized pearls that reflect light to blur imperfections. The 4-in-1 Complexion Perfector works to prime and extend makeup wear, hide imperfections, glow, and brighten.
So it's a primer.
It's a Complexion Perfector. And it's only $32.
I guess you can consider it as a makeup thing.
Got micronized pearls. Bioluminescent.
I'd like to try this.
Inspired by bioluminescence.
Inspired by.
So does it make you actually glow? It'd be cool if it made you actually glow.
And how much is it?
Makes you metaphorically glow. $32 from Tarte Cosmetics.
$32.
$32.
Okay, and last we have this Hey Honey
Hey, honey.
Trick and Treat Lip Balm. Oh, I love lip balms.
With a natural tint. A berry lip balm formulated with rich emollients like castor bean oil and honey to keep the lips hydrated, repair chapped and dry lips, and provide a beautiful tint to the lips. That's not your lips. I know I'm stupid. MSRP $23.
I love lip balms. I'm going to keep this.
Okay. Score.
So, just to go over things, we got the Hey Honey Lip Balm. We got the Tarte Soothe Skin Perfector or Primer. We got the Complex Culture Sonic T-Bar.
Sonic T-Bar Facial Massager.
We got the Lorac,
Loose setting powder. The rose.
the
setting
Soft
powder.
Rose Setting Powder by Lorac. We got the Tan Luxe Super Glow Hyaluronic Self Tan Serum.
With 4% DHA.
And we got the Beauty Bakery Milk and Honey Highlighter Palette.
The one that's probably not full of bees.
And what was the total again for the whole box?
The total, which I had not said up to this point, is $230.
$230. Which I don't remember.
I don't know about you, but I think that's a deal and a half. Oh, that's right. I said I wasn't going to be ornery on this one, didn't I? What happened? I don't know what happened. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
It's okay.
I'll be good.
So, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription box. You get their premium for $35 a month. You're guaranteed 6 products, and with a box value of $175, I believe. And if you are interested in BoxyCharm, I have a link down below. And yeah, that's it. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. It really helps the channel, and it only takes a second. And again, please consider subscribing if you are new to this channel. And yeah, I hope you are having a fantastic, wonderful day today. And if you are not, I hope something comes along and sparks your day. And maybe Erin helped to pick you up today and helped you have a better day. And
You never know.
if not, I hope something else comes along and picks up your day. But if you're having an especially hard time today, or the last few days, or the last week or so, then we are sending out good vibes to you.
Like this.
Yeah, well, just like that. Hopefully.
They go through the camera and into you.
Yeah, and I hope that you get them. And just remember to stay strong and stay healthy and stay safe. And
stay in school if you're in school.
And I hope to see you in my next video tomorrow, or might have one out on Tuesday. I don't know at this point. Or I just hope to see you in any video I have coming up soon. So I will see you then. And take care until then, and we will see you later. Goodbye.
Bye.